In this tutorial, you will learn how to convert email to PDF with Google Chrome. Google Chrome has a built-in PDF writer, so you can easily convert any email message into a PDF file within the browser itself. Open the email that you want to save as a PDF. Then press Ctrl+P or CMD+P if you are on a Mac to open the print dialog and change the destination printer to Save as PDF. Hit the print button and the current web page will instantly download as a PDF document. Alternatively, you can forward the original email message to pdfconvert@pdfconvert.me, and the service will send a PDF version of the message back to you in just a second. If there are any Word, Excel, or PowerPoint attachments inside the email, you can forward the files to Attach Convert at pdfconvert.me, and they will come back to you in PDF format. Congratulations! You've just learned how to convert email to PDF with Google Chrome.